Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. Today's topic is over international relations that discusses over the India-Pakistan border dispute over the Gilgit-Baltistan region. Let's start with the today's topic. See, India has lodged a strong protest against the Supreme Court of Pakistan order on the Gilgit-Baltistan region. What's happening is Pakistan Supreme Court has approved the federal government's plea to amend the government of Gilgit-Baltistan Order 2018. So let's know about what is the federal government's plea. Let's know about what is the Gilgit-Baltistan Order 2018. So for that, let's proceed further. See, with this Pakistan Supreme Court's approval, federal government has been allowed to set up a caretaker government. The federal government here has been allowed to set up a caretaker government and they can conduct the provincial assembly elections in the Gilgit-Baltistan region. See, this is the Gilgit-Baltistan region and India is saying that the entire union territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh here, including the areas of the Gilgit-Baltistan, are integral part of India. And the India's parliamentary resolution of 1994 is reaffirming that this region is a part of a state of the Jammu and Kashmir and that is an integral part of India by virtue of its accession. That what is this Gilgit-Baltistan region that we are talking of? See, this region was a part of the erstwhile princely state of Jammu and Kashmir. The Jammu and Kashmir part is here and along with it, and this Gilgit-Baltistan region was a part of the erstwhile Jammu and Kashmir. So what's happening is that this area became a part of Pakistan's control since November 4, 1947. So there, the invasion of Kashmir by the tribal militias and Pakistan army, after that, Gilgit-Baltistan region has been a part under the Pakistan's control. This region was then renamed as Northern Areas of Pakistan and it was put under the direct control of the Pakistan's federal government through the Karachi Agreement of 1949. However, after GB Empowerment and Self-Governance Order in 2009, northern areas came to be known as the Gilgit-Baltistan and that provided a legislative assembly and a council in this region. So 2009 order replaced this northern areas by Gilgit-Baltistan Order 2018 and then so after this 2009 order, it was 2018 order that came in and replaced the 2009 order. So let's see what 2018 order had to say. See, this GB Order 2018 aimed at incorporating the Gilgit-Baltistan as the fifth province of Pakistan and it integrated Gilgit-Baltistan with the rest of the federal structure of Pakistan by legislative, judicial and administrative measures. The other four provinces being Balochistan are Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab and Sindh. However, this 2018 order granted only the limited fundamental rights to people of Gilgit-Baltistan and it did not grant any constitutional status to Gilgit-Baltistan region. So let's look into what made this Gilgit-Baltistan region so important that it had to be disputed since a very long time. See, the first point being location. See, as we can see, Gilgit-Baltistan, this northern areas that it's talking about, it lies at the intersection of what? Of Indian subcontinent, at the intersection of the Central Asia that's here and China here. So this gives Gilgit-Baltistan a very strategic location. Coming to the second point being larger territory. See, territory of Gilgit-Baltistan is more than 5 times larger than Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. And it consists of two ethno-geographically distinct territories, that is Baltistan, which is part of Ladakh here, and Gilgit, which is here. So this provides a more 5 times larger territory than Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. See, water and energy security is something that is provided in the Gilgit-Baltistan region. Why? Because see, before entering Pakistan, Indus River is passing through the Gilgit-Baltistan region and important glaciers like Siachen Glacier and other things are also located in Gilgit-Baltistan. So what's happening is the hydroelectric potential of the Indus River makes it vital for the energy security as well. So this region is strategically very important. It provides a larger territory to the Pakistan people and it is a vital source for energy as well as the water security. The fourth point, that is Chinese interference, is also seen here. How? Because see, the China-Pakistan economic corridor is passing through the Gilgit-Baltistan, making India more reluctant to join the multinational transport and infrastructure corridor project sponsored by China. So this is it. What do we actually see? That the Supreme Court of Pakistan order on the Gilgit-Baltistan region has given a right to federal government of Pakistan to set up a caretaker governor and conduct the provincial assembly elections. And India says that this territory is of India, including the Jammu and Kashmir and the Ladakh region, and this Gilgit-Baltistan, we saw the history of this Gilgit-Baltistan, and now that we see is why is this so important that India and Pakistan are fighting for it? Because it's the strategical location is very important. It provides a larger territory to Pakistan, and then the water and energy security is both crucial to India as well as Pakistan. And the Chinese interference is also here that can help China and in Pakistan, but India would suffer if this is implemented. So this is it.